Need to jump straight to the exact location where LM Studio stores your saved conversation files? You don't even have to hunt through your hard drive manually. You can open the folder directly from inside the app. Here is the absolute fastest way to do it. First, open LM Studio and look at your chat history on the left sidebar. Move your cursor over to the specific conversation thread you want to view and click the three dots icon right next to the chat name. A menu will pop up with options like Select, Rename, Duplicate, and Export. Right below those, click on Show in File Explorer. As soon as you click it, your system's File Explorer window will open directly to the exact folder where that conversation is saved on your computer. From there, you can view your chat file, back it up, or open it with any text editor. And that is literally all there is to it. If this quick tip saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you want to see more LM Studio tips. Thanks for watching.